Hi students, we learned how to make a silica gel plate for TLC analysis. We also learned how to spot a sample onto a TLC plate. Now we will see how to develop the plate. Development means the sample that you have spotted here should be taken along the plate with the help of a solvent. During the process, depending upon how tight the sample is sticking to the or absorbing onto the silica gel, the sample will be moved up the plate along with the solvent. If you keep a sample which is a mixture of compounds, the compound which is strongly adsorbed will be developed or will be eluted, will be moved by the solvent up the TLC plate at a slower rate compared to the sample which is adsorbed to a lesser extent, and that is how the separation takes place. For any organic sample, the less polar the compound, the more higher it will move on the silica gel plate. The less polar a compound is, it will be taken up by the solvent to a higher level in the TLC plate. The more polar sample will be moving only to a smaller extent. Very gently, you have to place it inside without shaking it, and if you can see, the solvent is rising, and then you have to close the lid. So with no shaking of the plate, you have to place it inside the development chamber, and you can see the solvent is rising. This is called the solvent front. As it rises up by capillary action, it will also take the sample along with it, and you can develop the plate up to the top, almost the top of the plate, leaving around 0.5 centimeter above. So this is how the solvent moves, and once it goes to the top, you will have to remove the plate, allow it to dry. In 1 minute it will dry, and then you can visualize the plate. About the visualization process, I will let you know. So if you can see this, the solvent is moving the sample. This process is called eluting. As the solvent goes up, the sample also moves up, and we can measure the relative factor, which is a characteristic of each sample.